Okay, there we got the brackets on the new tank. Yeah, these new side plates, they have holes in them, and they're pretty close. But the little washer on the screw has a wider flange on it, so I have to drill it bigger for it to fit. That's how big the old holes were compared to the new holes. So I'm a little smaller than that. Can always go bigger. Now that washer will fit flat, flush on there. If I have to go a little bit bigger, I have to go a little bit bigger. That's no problem there. And also, this is the exhaust side by the mound there. And the exhaust on the old one had this rubber protective, so I'm going to try and put that on. I have to drill a couple of holes here. I'll just take this apart and make sure that the rubber ends aren't going to pop off and break. Clean that up a bit. There we go. So the rubber looks to be in decent shape, so clean that up. Even got the Suzuki emblem on there. I'll clean that up and put that on the new one. Just do a quick dot and then adjust it. I think that's going to be pretty close where it is there. Getting it in the hole might be a different story. Okay, got that one through. So ripping it off. Yeah, the 1/4-inch hole that I had to drill. There we go. Good. Right on. Alright, let's see if this fits without having to adjust the holes. Yeah. Okay, we'll do the bottom one then. Huh. Come on. There we go. Chasing after screws. Now, are we on the top one? We are. Looks pretty good. So in theory, the other side fit. This side should fit. In theory. Like that. Not bad. Now with the new tank, they give you a new cap, which is nice. Well, it's got some kind of weird little thing there. They give you a new hose, although I opted for a nice clear hose. There's the tank, made, looks like September 11th, 21. Anyways. Seems to line up all right. I'll screw that on. On the old tank, I got to take off the mount there. And there's bolt holes on the new tank that should line up. I'll probably clean this piece up a bit. But nothing wrong with the old tank, just I didn't feel like restoring. There's no cracks or anything in it. It's a little dirty inside, can be cleaned out. But figured I'd go all new plastic since I got plastic. Okay, if I remember correctly, the O-ring goes in, and then the little tapered edge there goes in, pushes the O-ring against there, and then the sprocket, I am not sure. I think it goes out this way. And then the washer, and then the nut. And there's no specific way for the nut to go. Probably gonna have to wait till I get the chain on till I can truly tighten this, although I could put it in gear. That would help somewhat, except that the gear shifter's not there. We got gear shifter right here. So I'm not even sure where. Oh wow, didn't even get the paint on the end. Ah, it's a shitty paint job. Alright, well, just gonna see if I can shift her into gear here. There we go. Yeah, so I'll have to wait till that, till I get the chain on there. And I'll have to put a second coat on this thing, since I missed the end of the first one. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, we got the brackets on the new tank. Look pretty good. Fuel valve is on. You can see there it's upside down, but it's stamped Gilamoto. That's where it came from. I've got the little The little screw mounted for the rubber mount that pulls down and mounts to the frame. So tank is almost ready to go on. Pretty much is. Okay, let's see if we can get this fuel tank on without scratching the frame. I removed one of the brackets because it looked too tight to me. So figure out where this sits and what it's hitting on the other side. Right in around there somewhere. Okay, let's see if I can get this bracket back on and get it lined up. This might be the hard way to do it, but it didn't look like it would go over the frame without scratching the hell out of it. Okay, now that's got to go for the hole right there. Okay, so this bolt's supposed to feed through the bracket, the hole in the frame, and then screw into the other brackets. Huh, that'd be too easy if it did. I need an extension. I think it went into the other side. Yeah, how about that? There. There, gas tank is on. I just got to run a air breather in there. I'll do that in black. This is the original hose. It's not bad. It's just a breather hose. I couldn't find one that fit down this hole here. There we go. All right. These little line clips here I got on Amazon. There's an assortment of them. Unfortunately, I had two that would fit this perfectly. So there. Gas tank is done. Right on. We're almost there. So I've decided on these. I put these on, just fitted them, and I thought they were going to be a little bit off, but they're perfect. So as long as the Kickstarter doesn't have an issue with the wider peg, that'll be a way better peg. So I'm going to paint these up and put those on. So that tank is just a little more yellow and a little more shinier than the other plastics, but it matches pretty good. I don't mind it. It's pretty good. And I'm glad I did the engine in the flat black. I think that looks way better, contrasting with the pipe in the frame and the rest of the bike. So, just coming along. Yeah, you probably noticed the noise. That's the furnace on in the garage this morning. It was, what are we, the end of June here. and it was +1 Celsius this morning. I was like, what the heck? Just a cold, damp summer so far. So, let's see where this fits in. And about there, I'm thinking. Okay, there we go. Probably just up onto here somewhere. Okay. Right on.